one of the lesser known and less talked about provisions in the One Big Beautiful Bill Act is the one that impacts the health insurance premium assistance credit. This change will impact low-income filers who currently receive assistance with their health insurance premiums through a government subsidy. So let's ask AnswerConnect to provide information on this change, because let's face it, if you have clients who are receiving the health insurance premium assistance and you're not aware of this change, then you're not going to be able to provide them with the information that they need to make good decisions related to their health insurance premium. So as you can see here, we type the question into the chat here, into the search bar. And here's the information concerning the changes that relate to the health insurance premium changes with the One Big Beautiful Bill Act. And we can follow up this chat. For example, let's say you don't want to read through all the information here. Let's say you prefer to see this information in chart format. That's something that we can also ask the CCH AnswerConnect AI assistant to provide for us. So what we're going to do is we're going to ask it to provide us a chart comparing the changes to this credit before and after the One Big Beautiful Bill Act. So I just typed in the chat here. It opens up the assistant over on the right side of the screen. And again, it's going to pull through the information, keeping this conversational, and put the information into a chart showing what the changes were before and what the changes are after the act. And if we scroll over here, you can see that it provides you with the after information as well. We also provide the source for where we pulled this information. And so if you just click here over the source, you can see that you will have a little pop-up that provides additional information for you. And you also have the ability to click on See Document to go directly to the source. And so now one of the questions that you may have is, what changes should taxpayers make now to minimize the impact of this recapture? Because what we've just found is that there's now no limit regarding the recapture of this credit. So if someone receives $1,000 in excess credit, they will need to pay that back on their tax return, either as a balance due or a reduction in their refund, or a combination of the two. So we're just asking a question as far as what changes so that you can correctly advise your client. Here's the information that your client needs to know. And let's say you want to email the information to them. You can create a letter from this. What we're going to do is just ask the AI assistants to create a letter that explains the changes, as well as provides them with the information on how to minimize the impact. And here's the letter. It's ready to go for your client. You can copy and paste it directly into an email from this screen. Thank you again for joining us today as we took a trip through CCH AnswerConnect AI Assistant.